Johnson Controls invented the first thermostat 135 years ago and is now taking its first step in intelligent thermostats with GLAS. It's a truly unique thermostat that works with Windows 10 IoT Core and Microsoft's Cortana digital assistant. It also has a 5.9-inch translucent OLED screen from Samsung that is the centerpiece of such an unusual device. The amazing translucent screen means that the thermostat will fit many different rooms, and Johnson Controls targets consumers. The thermostat is powered by Cortana, so you can use the digital assistant with voice controls to do all the things that Cortana can and also control the thermostat. This will change once the device is shipped later this year, but for now the small blue circle of Cortana is everything. In terms of the interface and characteristics of the thermostat, it is as capable as you would expect. GLAS will support temperature controls, weather forecasts and has 3 sensors that monitor air quality automatically. It will do many of the smart thermostat features found in rival Nest or Ecobee units, and you can install GLAS yourself. Johnson Controls has incorporated cable guides into the device, and a separate mobile application will also help control the thermostat's configuration. The interface is pretty basic, and it's not too deep so you never get lost in the controls. There is a home screen that provides information on air quality and local climate. A proximity sensor on the front of the device will wake up the screen if it is nearby and you can use the touch or voice input to make changes.